Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you fix Netflix buffering. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is check your Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes the weaker Wi-Fi connection also might be causing the issue that you are facing. So in order to check it, go to your browser and on the search bar simply type in speedtest.net and hit go, and once it loads, tap on go and check to see if your internet connection is weaker or not. And if it's weaker, simply drop down your notification bar and change over the Wi-Fi connection or change over cellular data. And if that doesn't work, then what you can do is open up your Netflix, and on the top right hand corner of the screen you'll see your profile icon. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside there, tap on app settings, and once you're inside here on the top you'll see cellular data usage, right? Simply tap on that, and now check to see if it's set on automatic or not. Now you can either choose between Wi-Fi only or save data or maximum data, and if you have selected the maximum data, then the video will run in higher quality, which might cause your video to buffer. And once you're done with that, the next thing that you can do is go to your app store, and on the search bar simply type in Netflix and check to see if the app has an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so a simple update might probably fix the issue, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.